recently is arranging for a representative from the tourist board to come hold a reasoning with we as a collective. After we hear what them say, then my friend we can make a decision.
Well, you know me always say it's like a scratch record. So when it comes to my community, 100% I support it. So as long as it have, you know what I mean, anything to do with the community, you get a listening ears still.
And at this stage, that is all I ask.
You get a listening ears. As long as we don't move too quick.
Speak of the devil.
General, man.
Hey, let me know, fam. Manners.
Look for a smile on face.
Yo, cool, man.
So the man looks up.
Oh, God.
Yo, easy though, I don't want to do, man. Yo, but big man thing like that. A business me come to talk about, you see me? The beer them deal with the thing, them chop off the little thing them. And them say some people are forward in December, you see me? So I have that on the calendar.
That sound good. And them news them life here.
Boy, Mr. say you move like a real businessman, you know. But let me get in your business a bit. Oh, the man looks so happy here.
Happy a thing you go out with me, king. And that man, business is a boom, you see it?
Nah, man. Tell the man to talk, man.
Hey, so, I want the truth quick. Talk to me, lawyer.
Yo, I choke, but just tell him that I want to do the man.
But you don't tell the man the whole truth, brother. Tell the man the princess is back.
That me can't bother with you, bro.
Jaja, what you say?
Different than still king. Now listen to him now. Me and mama good, you see me? Me have all the little reason and things. Nice.
Easy like yourself, man. King, I tell him to tell us I'm back in love.
Jaja. Well, them did say all fire stick.
Easy for catch.
You see?
So no plan, it's all you. Well, I do. Yeah, so good. Where say you there? Where say you there, what time from? Alright, now come meet you.
Cha!
Yeah, make you father understand and no bother with it.
Yo, man.
Make King man see what we are talking about.
I am me.
I know you down for
License to meet you.
Look who is back.
In all of our glory.
I'll go off princess, you could. Long time we don't see you.
Boy, baby girl, may I tell you, you have an ability, you see, to make this man just light up.
That's sweet to me. Baby, it's life, man.
So pretty. You can tell me say you're an artist now, Cho?
Yeah. I find a voice now. The voice, by the way.
You don't find a voice. You always did have it. You just realize.
Yeah. And I use it to express myself now the real way.
What? From wholesale to big entertainer. Yeah, you don't want no dancer because you know me have the link and all of them things there, you know.
As a matter of fact, I might need dancer. Because I'm going to tell you something. So, I'm going to be on Sting among the young guns.
How are you? Maya!
Sana ko naman.
No, congrats, you know. No, that's a good news, you know, King.
You know, I'm really, really happy for the tour, you know. I can't even say for you, I'm happy for the tour, you know, and the energy we're going to share.
So, tonight I'm having Sting lunch.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Man.
Yeah, man.
Answer for you, man. Yeah.
Ready, go on now.
Then I must come now already.
Yeah, man. Good guy,
Yeah, man, I'm gonna look back.
Ready, I don't know how to praise God.
Much love.
Man.
That me a talk about the king. The dog change, you know. You see the man happy.
That's how we want.
Yes.
All of the man them.
Ah, youths.
Come on now. You good?
Hi, Doc. You what? You coming to this thing lounge? Okay, Doc. Yeah.
So I'm gonna come.
Just wait, brother.
You sure? Make sure I know.